So here we have the WF-SP700Ns from Sony. Now, we all know what happened with the 1000Xs. They were a superb headphone when they worked. Cutouts from one side to the other. Now, there's been various reports that they've been working on getting that fixed, but as yet I returned mine and haven't played around with a new pair yet. So enter these little babies, workout headphones, but very similar to the 1000Xs, I'm sure you will agree. Available in a variety of colours, and oh yeah, looking good. Yeah, I can see it, very nice. Now, do we think that Sony listened to all our complaints with the 1000Xs and have fixed the problem? Or do you think this is just a revamped 1000X in a pretty colour? Well, one thing they have listened to is it's now sweat resistant, which the others were not. And they've got these little tails on them to stop them from moving around, but sometimes they actually perform worse when they have all these bells and whistles attached, but until I get them in hand, I will not know. Extra bass, perfect setting with 2 taps of a button, easy hands-free calling. Well, that remains to be seen, because normally when you hands-free call on these things, it sounds like you're a million miles away. Different case, safe, secure, fully charged. The headphones give you up to 3 hours of music playback, while the compact charging case not only keep your headphones secure but holds a further 2 full 3-hour charges, letting you power up on the go. So that's 9 hours of music playback. 3 hours, eh? Interesting. Now it does have noise cancelling. Let's have a look what that is. Yeah, noise cancelling and ambient mode, just like the 1000Xs, and Google Assistant, again just like the 1000Xs. So there you go, digital noise cancelling, truly wireless, secure fit earbuds, ambient mode and hands-free calling. Will they actually work though? Place your bets, and full comprehensive review coming as soon as I get them in my hands, available soon. As usual guys, it's been emotional.